Question number 3 of the worksheet is find A and B if 5 plus 2 root 3 upon 7 plus 4 root 3 is equal to A plus B root 3. So we have to find here the value of A and B. So you can see we have LHS of the equation and we have RHS of the equation. We will solve the LHS of the equation and then we will compare it with RHS. We will get the values of A and B. Now how to solve the LHS of the equation? In the denominator you can see you have 7 plus 4 root 3. So we will multiply the numerator and denominator by its conjugate. 7 minus 4 root 3 upon 7 minus 4 root 3. In the denominator you can see 7 plus 4 root 3, 7 minus 4 root 3. We can apply the identity here, A plus B into A minus B. So the denominator will become 7 square minus 4 root 3 whole square. 7 square is 49 and 4 root 3 whole square will be 48. Because 4 square is 16 and root 3 whole square is 3. So 16 3s are 48. Now come to numerator. In the numerator we have 5 plus 2 root 3 and 7 minus 4 root 3. So here directly we cannot apply the identity. We have to use the distributive law. According to distributive law, first you will multiply this 5 by this whole bracket. So 5 into 7 minus 4 root 3. Then you will multiply this 2 root 3 by this whole bracket. Opening the bracket, 5 into 7 35 and 5 into minus 4 root 3 is minus 20 root 3. 2 root 3 into 7 is 14 root 3 and 2 root 3 into 4 root 3 is minus 24, minus 4 root 3. So this 35 and this minus 24 you can take together and these two terms together. 35 minus 24 will be 11. So 11 and minus 20 root 3 plus 14 root 3 will be minus 6 root 3. Now 11 minus 6 root 3 we have got on the LHS of the equation. So 11 minus 6 root 3 will be equal to A plus B root 3. Now to find the value of A and B we will compare A and 11. So on comparing, the value of A will come as 11 and the value of B root 3 equals to minus 6 root 3. So root 3 cancel. So the value of B will come minus 6.